Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of Speak Fluent English. So in today's video we are going to learn 30 common sentences for daily use. So let's start. So first one is, can you help me with this? I can cook dinner tonight. Can I borrow your pen? You can sit here if you want. Let me remind you one thing, the word can is used to express actions or abilities in the present or when talking about something that is possible at the current moment. Okay, so let's continue. Can we go to the park later? Can you pass me the salt? I can finish the project by tomorrow. And can you turn off the light? Can we meet at 5 p.m.? I can't find my keys anywhere. Can you show me how to do this? You can call me anytime. So, can I have a glass of water? We can watch a movie tonight. He can drive very well. Can we order pizza for dinner? Can you take a picture of us? Can we talk later? I am busy now. Can I come to your house this weekend? She can play the piano beautifully.